Have you guys ever wondered how YouTubers get really good makeup for cheap and we don't spend a lot of money? Well, just keep on watching. Hello, and today I come back with you with my Boxycharm. I wanted to do a try-on haul for you guys, just so that it's a little different, more interesting for you. So if you stay tuned, you'll see what we did today and how I like the products. One thing that I will say is this is a monthly subscription. It's $21 and you get 5 full-size items. A lot of these brands, normally you wouldn't think to purchase them. A lot of them I wouldn't purchase, and I've never purchased them before. But it's really nice to try some of the new brands that I've never had my hands on. Like the Rainforest of the Sea. Like a palette like this, I wouldn't normally purchase something like this because I have already a lot of different palettes and I just wouldn't get it because I already have a ton. Why would I do that? But it's just really nice to be able to get some of these products and actually try them out and know how they work. Or if you guys keep on watching, you'll see the lipstick that we got, and I just think it's a really good formula. So if you'd like to get makeup on a budget, but you don't have $100 every month or whatever to spend, just get the box. Like, it just makes sense to do that, you know? I just did my makeup to be able to do some of these products. So the first one that we got is a universal brow pencil, and we'll see how this works. Normally all of these products that I do get, I do enjoy them because they are really good quality. A lot of times they'll send you brands that you've never heard of, so it's kind of nice to be able to get used to some of those. So we'll just go ahead and do this. It is definitely a really nice pencil. It's a little more waxy than I'm normally used to, but it fills in pretty easily. I feel like I don't want to say it's comparable to any of the ones that I have used, but it is definitely really nice to use, very easy, even though it's got more a waxy feel like a crayon. It doesn't disperse too much product. I feel like it actually works really well. So give it a thumbs up for this one. And our brows are fully done. I will definitely keep on using this brow pencil, especially for my super lazy days. I think this would be a really good way, an easy way to fill in the brows, just because it is more of like a waxy product, and I'd be able to fill it in and make it look more natural for days that I don't want to wear a lot of makeup. Just wanted to show you guys that these products are pretty legit, and for the fact that this box is only $21 and this brow pencil is already $18, like, you can't beat that. A few very exciting products. I have seen them in Sephora and I never thought to really pick it up because I already have a bunch of different palettes, and like I said, they do give you a lot of palettes. So this time, this is what we got, the C from Tarte. I always looked at these and I never really bothered to get any, just because I already have so many palettes. This one retails for $36, you guys. This is crazy. I don't think I'd ever purchase this on its own just because of the price. I don't normally spend a lot of money unless I really, really want it. So this is like one of those products that's kind of cool to have, but I don't think I'd actually spend the money outside of this to get it. It's more of like that nice, very neutral browns, mostly all shimmers. A really gorgeous palette. It would be really nice to just use it for like an everyday. It's got your darker, it's got your lighter shades. So I'll just go ahead and play around with some of these. I really love the fact that they actually put like one matte shade, because it's so hard to work with palettes that just have all shimmers. Like, how are you supposed to create a look? Actually just make my look pretty shimmery just because this is all shimmers and I want to see how they perform, which I'm pretty sure they're pretty amazing. Like, I don't have to do much. I'll just pick them up with my finger and apply it to my eye. So I'll just use this darker one and then apply it on my outer corner and then work my way in with the lighter colors. It's always nice to start out with the crease just because that gives you a nice transition color and you won't have a hard time blending all of these in. This will be one of the colors that I would definitely wear. There are those lazy days when I don't want to do my makeup, and this makes it seem like you put some effort in it without putting the effort, you know what I mean? I'll just take like a medium brown and put it right in the middle of my lid. So I'll just be blending these out. And I'll take out one of these, brighten up my eyes a little bit. These are really pretty, guys. I'll just take a smaller brush and blend it out in the crease, but since we already did that mattifying shade, it shouldn't be too hard. This is what I would normally do, or like a super easy, quick way. I feel like for any beginners that haven't done a lot of eyeshadows, I think a palette like this is perfect for you because it has all shimmers. It makes it super easy to blend them out. Like I said, you just kind of apply darker, lighter, and then a very light color in the inner corner, and that completes your look. Would definitely recommend this for beginners. Now I will do my regular eyeliner and mascara and be right back. There is another last makeup item that I wanted to try for you guys, is this lipstick from Ofra. Now, I don't own a lot of Ofra, and I like that they send a lot of the liquid lipsticks because that is what I wear a lot. It retails for $20, and this is a long-lasting liquid lipstick. Now, because our look is pretty neutral, we'll just put it on, whatever. If it doesn't end up matching, well, who cares? I was just pretty pumped that there was so many different makeup items here because then I could try it on for you guys and let you know right away what I think about them, and that they are pretty legit. Like, some of these brands I would never think to buy because I just don't want to spend the money. After a while, you just end up having so much makeup that you really don't care for it to buy anything new unless it's just really intriguing. Able to get Boxycharms, I think this is just a really to get your hands on really good makeup and just some things that you haven't tried before. Well, I didn't expect this to be like orange, but it's pretty. I don't think I have a liquid lipstick that's this color. I'm kind of excited for this. This is a really pretty one, you guys. I don't own any colors that are like this. I have a lot of the ones that are just like red, burgundies, deeper red, but I don't own like an orange one, and this one is super pretty. I think will be for the springtime or even just starting to wear it. It's really pretty. I would definitely recommend buying this one if you are in the market of a good one. I don't know. Next, few other items that I'll just let you know. I've already gotten one of these. This is like a nice leave-in conditioning spray, and it's in a little smaller size. This one retails for $12. Now, I've already gotten one of these, and I mean, they're all really good. I think this is a really good brand, so a lot of times I'll just give them away because I do have so many that I get. And then the last thing that we got was Tacha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Masks, and these retail for $24. Now, I know that Tacha is a super expensive brand, so I wouldn't be surprised if each of these costs $12. Like, it's a really good brand, so this is pretty pumping to try. Now that my skin is super dry in the winter, I like to use anything that's extra moisturizing. These masks are going to be definitely something good to try. I can't do it right now, obviously. Well, thank you guys for watching and seeing how these products do work. Like I said, I do recommend something like this for you if you're looking for good makeup, but you are on a budget. I'll put in the link down in the description so you guys can get yours next time, and also I'll put some of the other videos of mine for you to watch. Thank you guys for watching and supporting me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.